Okay.
All right, we're here back in the bee yard, and we're about to do another split. We did a successful split yesterday from Mama Ada hive, where we have made Milana hive. The bees have already starting to orient themselves, and they're flying out, and we see them coming back. Today we're going to do a split from Mona hive, which is our swarm hive, very strong queen. We have a nucleus box ready here, and this is for the first time we're actually selling bees, so we're making this for somebody. We're going to be taking 4 frames out of the hive to make a nucleus colony. Mona, you can show them here. We do have more nukes, so we're going to make 2 more after this, so that is 3 nukes. We made one for us, a new hive, my little Milana, and now we're going to go inside the Mona hive, and Mona is also my cameraman, my assistant, and this hive is also made after Mona. Mona, want to say hi?
Hi, hello.
Hello, Mona. Mona is the best. Mona is 25 years old times 3 plus 5, and she's my assistant. Without Mona, nothing happens here without Mona. Now I do have sugar syrup feeder here for the hives, where I started to give them some Hive Alive, and Hive Alive is used for their good health. It's the vitamins, minerals, nutrients. It is what the bees need. Now, if you're wondering what I'm wearing here, this is my camouflage bush outfit, and I'm hoping that the bees can't see me while I'm working in the hive and disturbing their home and destroying their home. But we're going to see here. Wow, that is unbelievable. Mona,
Wow.
you did not tell me. I forgot to put my damn hat on, so I have no protection here. Mona, god damn it, Mona, you're supposed to be assisting me in this dangerous operation. Now this is only happening because we are not ready for this. I don't want to get stung in the eye like I used to before, because the eye swells up very badly, and we won't be able to see our beautiful bees. Wow, Mona, come show them this. This is beautiful. Now, the objective here is to, I forgot the bee holder. Mona, show them the hive. Show them the hive. Now we are here with the bees, of course. We're going to give them a little smoke so we can clean this up. Just a little smoke. All right. This is very strong. Mona, you are very strong individual hive.
Yes.
All right, we gave them a smoke. The bees. The reason why we smoke the bees is we block their pheromones. Bees communicate through pheromones, give alarms, and then the rest of the bees can attack, but the smoke, it makes that pheromone impossible to detach, and then the bees can't attack. Now, what do we say always to the bees before we work with the hive, Mona? Bees, play nice.
Yes.
Is Papa here helping the community? We're doing community. We're helping your gardens. We're saving the planet with our little bees. Wow, this is a beautiful honey frame. Look at that, lots of honey. I'm going to put this immediately over here. And these are all field bees. Now we do have another honey frame coming. Now this is also a honey frame. We have some pollen, some drone cells. Now there's pollen, some drones. Oh shit, I thought I was burning myself, but no, I wasn't. All right, we're going to put these 2 both frames right here. We're going to decide later. Now the most important is for us to find the queen. The queen. Once we find the queen, we can do the split very quickly. Yesterday it took us 15 frames to find the damn queen. in Mama Ada hive. Once we found her, me and Mona just did it, and I see a lot of eggs here. Very big possibilities that the queen is somewhere here. It looks like they're laying, there's a good pattern of eggs. Look at that. I see some drone caps. The bees are eating honey and making honey. This here is also lots of eggs, larvae. This is beautiful. I don't see the queen here. And this is the queen that has made it through 2 winters now. Very important that we keep this queen in good shape. Now this is absolutely one frame we can definitely take out because it has eggs and will give the hive a boost. Now this frame here, it's got lots of old brood, which is very nice. Wow, look at that. Isn't it amazing? That's a beautiful frame. Now I don't think the queen is going to be here, but I have to look for the queen absolutely everywhere. We have eggs, larvae. She should be easy to spot here because there's not too many bees on this frame. This is the frame I might use to put in the Bonita hive instead to give them a boost. Okay, very nice. Mona, how are you doing, Mona?
Good, I'm fine.
Very nice. Okay, again, we have a nice frame. We have some big bees, some small bees. Now the small bees are empty. There's abdomens are empty. When the bee gets back from foraging, she's double the size. Ooh, nice. No queen. I don't see the queen here. Now the bees are definitely going. We have some eggs here. We have some brood. It is nice. We have some pollen here. I don't see the queen. I have to look for her. Now this is the frame as well. We will put here. Now we are looking for the queen. Bees be nice. Now Mona, you can come a little bit further, not go or come, go. Now the problem right now that we're having is it is becoming very windy and we don't want the wind. The bees are starting to move much quicker. They get agitated pretty quick and then they can start stinging Papa. Papa does not need more stings than he consumed yesterday. I don't see the queen, Mona. Where is the queen? Very nice. Very nice. Okay, we are going to do this. There is another frame. We have a lots of eggs here. There is lots of eggs. Newborn bees. We have some drones. This is a good frame to put for a split, and this is a beautiful, 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 beautiful frame. Is the queen anywhere to be seen? Nope. She likes to hide. The queen does not like the sun, so she will immediately hide from the sun. Now, this is a very beautiful frame that we will possibly put in the nook. I don't see the queen. She would usually look for... Mona, you don't see the queen either, right?
Yeah, well, I'm not too good at doing
queen.
that.
No queen, no queen, no queen. We got some drones. I'm going to put this frame here as well. That is 2. Now, bees be nice. Or you can go a little further from the camera so we can capture the whole moment. We are here experimenting a lot of eggs. There is a lot of eggs here. There is a big possibility the queen is nearby. What is the noise?
I don't know.
There's a noise in the background. I hope it is not my dog destroying the house. Wow, all eggs, Mona.
That's good.
That is unbelievable. But I don't see the queen. I need to see the queen. Please, queen, where are you? Please show yourself. Lots of eggs, nothing but eggs here. Nothing but eggs. Eggs and pollen. Just beautiful pattern of brood. No queen again. Okay. She's laying everywhere. What is that noise?
Gotta be Arlo.
Want to focus. No eggs here. And this is nothing but pollen here and pollen storage. And there's definitely not going to be a queen over there. So what we're going to have to do, Mona, we have to check this frame here. Now this is a honey frame. And there's more. This is empty honey, so we're going to leave this. There's definitely no sign of the queen. Now I'm going to go one more time quickly, Mona,
Yes.
to check if I see the queen on any of these frames, so I can go move on to the bottom box immediately. Now maybe you come just right there a little bit, right there, and I will focus on trying to find the queen, Mona.
She is not marked, is she?
She is marked a little bit. The bees have cleaned her over the time. They have cleaned the queen because the bees care for the queen. The queen controls the hive. The bees, they control the queen. Now the question is, who is in control? Well, I don't freaking know, but I know the queen is the main one. Well. I should stop this nonsense and focus on finding the queen. Right, Mona?
Yes.
Yes, queen. All right. One more time. We do have a little bit of a flake up right there. I don't know if there. I think the queen is going to be on the bottom, Mona. You think so?
Well, if you can't find her, that's where she is.
There's an angry bee there. Right. This is a very nice frame. I don't see the queen here. I think I'm going to put this frame in there, and that's going to be it until we find the queen. That's it. This is one of the frames again that I could take out and afterwards put it. Where is the queen? All right, Mona, we have to lift this hive and put this hive. Holy smokes, eh? Look at that.
Oh.
They're building stuff everywhere. This is unbelievable, Mona. Now, what we need to do is this. We got some drones. There's some drones here. We got some pollen. We got the frame of honey and pollen. We'll put this right here, I think, inside. This is honey frame. This nook should be done as long as we find the queen. Right, Mona?
Yes.
So we are going to, nice. We're gonna close this for now. Put this right here. We're going to put this here. I need the roof. And we have to get inside here. And we have to inspect. What is that?
Is that your alarm going off?
Stay. Marlo's just scratching the door.
That's not my alarm, is it? No.
No, it's not your alarm. Very nice. Okay. Why can't we just find the queen?
You will find her.
We are smoking the beast, so we can do the hive cleanup immediately. Lots of new wax. We gotta move through this. Would you like a little delicacy, Mona?
No, thank you.
All right. Okay. What do we got here, Mona?
Hopefully the queen.
Very light frame. Now this frame here has got honey on it. We're going to put this frame again over here. Another frame. Pretty light, but pollen honey. Now all honey pollen, beautiful. Okay, we're not interested in this. Oh my god, we have a lot of bees escaping underneath there. That's not good. They found a way again around it. Oh no. Again, same thing as last year.
They found a way to what?
They found a way in the bottom over there. I have to open that up so they can escape. Alright. I don't see anything. This is all fresh wax. The queen's she's laid all the eggs over here on the bottom. There is a big chance that she's somewhere here because I definitely see fresh eggs here all the way on the bottom. Maybe not. You should come over here, Mona, so you can see. Let this see, let this see, let this see, let this see. No, this is not going to be the queen spot. We have drones, we have everything, but not queen. No queen here. Alright. Then again, all fresh brood. Oh, this is not good, Mona. This is not good, Mona.
Why?
Oh, because it's getting windy.
Oh.
Don't see the queen. She has laid a lot of eggs everywhere here. How can I not find the queen here? Oh, I got the queen.
Perfect.
Right there. Right there, Mona. Right there. She's right there. She's big. She's beautiful. Right there. That's the queen. That's the queen. Beautiful. All right. We got the queen. We got everything we need. We can close this hive immediately. Immediately. This, that. I'm going to move this as well over here. I'm going to put this one over here. We can close this, Mona.
Yes.
Success. 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 Very nice. All right, I'm just going to try to move this a little bit from the other side. Go. Now what we're going to do, Mona, is this. We're going to put this back immediately. This box. This goes right here. Now, in this case, we're going to take this frame here and we're going to shake this base off into the nook, so this colony gets a little more base, Mona.
Yes.
All right. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, what we have to do, immediately close the hive. And we are trapping this bees. Now, we're going to give this bees new frames to work. Like this. And another one from the previous years that we saved. So the queen can immediately go back and lay more eggs. We're going to check these two frames later, Mona, to see the efficiency of what the bees will do in a short period of time. We're going to give them this frame here, 3 new frames. We're going to put this frame here. This is a frame with, so how many frames did we take? We took 5. All right. Okay. We have one more here that we can take. One more or not. I'm going to give him a new frame to build wax on. And then a new frame. Okay, Mona? Look at that. We're going to give him 2 new frames. Right there. Like this. We're going to put this one in here. Actually. That is it. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is called a successful split from Mona Hive. We have located the queen. We have put the queen in the bottom box and everything is looking beautiful. So this is the split. This is all you need. Till next time. Thank you very much. Beautiful, beautiful.